This is task 17, red buttons in water, and it's a motivational task. And the reason it's a motivational task is many children on the autism spectrum like water. The tube is filled with water, and they're also very visual. So when they see the button floating down slowly in the water, it often draws them in to actually motivates them to want to do it themselves. And in a sense, it gives this activity power in that you can use it in a situation where you first do another activity that is less motivating and have this one, the red buttons in water, in sight but out of reach, so that the student then gets to know that they're going to get red buttons in water if they do the activity that they're not so motivated to do. So it can build a work system that way by using this as a motivator. Also, if you use a red button and hand it as a transition object to a student, you can indicate to them to go to work, and the first activity they get to do is the red buttons in water, which may motivate them, especially students that resist going to the work table, may motivate them to go to work, start with red buttons, and then go on from there. It also can be used as an opportunity to encourage language for students that have a hard time making a request. You can replace all the red buttons with pictures of the red button and put them in there, and as the student comes, so if he were to just notice, or she, that there are just photos, then with another teacher helping to make a request by handing this to the person holding the red buttons, saying, "Want button." And then as he hands the picture of the red button, he gets the red button in return from the teacher and then can use it. And if you have a number of these to make a request, a number of these pictures in here, it can lead to that student learning how to make a request, in this case for the red buttons, and then maybe be able to use it in other areas as well. It's a wonderful task that has really gotten a lot of people, has opened the door to learning for a lot of young students, and that's about it.